Hey guys, Buddy here with All Things Tech and More. With another review on some LED strip lights for under your car. Package as it comes in. Pretty good, yeah? So let's get into it here. Okay, right off the bat, you get a little card that tells you a little bit about what you got. Which is good. Here's the remote. Comes with it. Saw some sound activation things and some others. No battery in it. Comes with a battery. Let's put that in and get it rocking here. Okay, remote, pretty cool. Okay, and the things we get in the box. So, we get the little controller module. Says the name of it. Bunch of little wires, yeah. Splits out. We get our light strips. One per side. So let's get some power to it and show you a little bit how it works. So it'll be just a second here because I get some things organized. We'll just pull two out so you can see them. So here's the two that we got. Let's add a little power to them, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we got some power. Let's test out the remote. So let's turn them on and get some power to our tester. Look at that. Boom. So here's the lights we have on here. So they do, we got our red, we got our green, we have blue, we got an orange, a yellow, blue, like a sky blue, we have a purple, then we have jump 3, we have jump 7, and then we have fade 3, we have a fade 7, then we have sound activation. So this is the first one. So it goes by a little bit of sound. Here's our second verse. So let's see if we can. So we get a little sound there. Here's our third one. So changes a little different there. And then we have this one that just changes when it actually picks up the sound. Works pretty good. You can turn up the volume like that and you can pick up, you know, everything that I say now, and you can see it in light. So let's turn that down. You can turn it down a little bit. You can turn it up, turn it down. So my review so far on these are, they're packaged pretty good. They work well. They're cased in a rubber casing. completely rubber. Got M3 tape that sticks them on. And the remote seems to work really good. So these are good for under your car is what these are made for. The wires are pretty well. The connections are good. When you buy the kit, for some cars you're going to have to buy extensions to extend them. They plug in just like this. You might want to put like something over them maybe to keep them a little bit more waterproof, but they're pretty waterproof as they are. I myself have another set of these, and they're wrapped in like a rubber just in case, because I have a lowered car and it goes through water. But hookup's pretty easy. Power, negative. You can hook up to switch or not a switch. The remote will turn them off, and like right now I'm not even pointing it at the device. The device is down there. We're up here, so we'll turn them on right here. Turn them on right there, and see, it works pretty good. You can change the colors, do the different functions right here. So all in all, they work really well. I'm going to be putting these on my other vehicle, so definitely when I get them on there I will post some videos about that and let you know a little more about the ruggedability of them. From what I can see right now, they look very good. So as soon as I get that done, I will definitely get back to you guys, and thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day. God bless.